Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So here I am with another video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can curl your hair with a straightener, and I'm also going to talk to you about my YouTube journey and what is going on right now. So stay tuned for that. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So whenever you're using a heat tool, always make sure to use a heat protector, so that at least it will help you in some way to manage the damage we are doing on our hair using those hot tools. Always make sure to use a heat protection spray. So now the next step is to part your hair. So you have to decide right now only how you want to keep your hair. If you keep it sideways, then part it sideways. If you prefer parting your hair from between, then you can go ahead and do that. Now you have to section your hair. Take a comb and section your hair from top to side of your ears is one section. So this is the first section. I'm just going to pin it. This would be the second, and this would be the third section. So the first way to curl your hair from straightener is the classic way, which almost everyone do. So I'm going to show that first, but before that I wanted to talk to you about my YouTube. So I wasn't really sure about having a YouTube channel. It was by fluke. I was more diverted toward Instagram. So I started making reels on Instagram and started uploading my makeup pictures. And then eventually I opened up a YouTube channel and uploaded the same reels as shorts on YouTube. It was not something planned. I uploaded a short video and then suddenly within a day or two, it got around 1,000 views. So it made me a bit excited. I was like, oh nice, people are liking it. Then I uploaded another short from Instagram. Oh, the second short also went good. So I started uploading the same reels on YouTube and they started doing well. Some of my shorts have received so much love. It makes me feel so good, and I have got so many subscribers also because of that. So I was very happy. So I started giving more time to YouTube and started making videos specially for YouTube. And then later on, the subscriber rate was going good. The views were going good. I started making bigger videos. I used to get good views on bigger videos also in initial days. But later on what happened, I don't really know, for some reason. Now the views have gone so down, like I hardly get views on my bigger videos. You can go and check my views on bigger video is from 30 to 40. That's all. I have more than 16k subscribers and only 30 to 40 prefer to watch my videos. Not that the short videos aren't working, touch wood. I'm so grateful. Short videos are still going good, but I don't know, for some reason long videos, I don't know what is up with you guys or what I am doing wrong. Long videos does not work for me. I'll get back to that. First I'll show you how you can curl your hair. Fold it backwards. Hold the machine backward. Go down, down, down. Do the same again. Rotate. Wow. So that's how it looks. This is the classic way to curl your hair. Obviously I have done it from the top, that's why it's looking like this. Always when you're curling your hair, make sure you curl it outwards and not inwards. What difference it will make is, the curl this side is going behind. What if I have to use the straightener in front? So this curl would have been coming on my face, and we don't want that. So always make sure that whenever you're doing your front, you do it backwards and not in front of your face. So now coming back to my subscribers, please guys, if you I don't know what is making you not watch my longer videos, but if you have something in your mind and if you know what exactly I'm doing wrong, please help me out. Because since 3 to 4 months I'm trying to figure it out, that what is up, why aren't my bigger videos working, but till now I can't understand. I'm literally blank about this. So please, it would mean a lot guys if you can just comment down whatever the thing is, or if you know why isn't it working out. So now I'll do the same this side, but I'll do it in front to show you guys that what will happen if we do inwards rather than outwards. So that's how it looks. It's quite funny though. So obviously I did it inwards, so it's coming on my face, and obviously you don't want that. You don't want your face to be blocked by your hair. So always make sure to curl your hair outward and not inward. So this is the classic way to curl your hair. I'll do one more part to show you guys. Twist. What happens when you just twist it once and go directly? Let's see the effect of that curl. This one is very tight curl. I was continuously rotating it. Now I'm not rotating it. I have just rotated it once, and now I'm just directly going down. So if you don't rotate it and if you directly go down, it creates a softer curl. This one is really tight because I was continuously rotating it. This one is softer, obviously way softer than this. So it's up to you however you want. If you want tight curls, then keep on rotating it. And if you want softer curls, then you can keep it like this. So when I started my YouTube channel, there were very less people who subscribed me. But if you are one of those who knows that when I started, who were there in my journey, supporting me then and supporting me now, then please make sure to comment and let me know. It would mean a lot to me knowing that you guys were there then. You guys are still there for me right now. So please make sure to comment. Now I'll show you another trick. This is something very easy and the finish you get is amazing. Only trick is you have to get it right. So keep your straightener on top of your hair, rotate it, and then place the remaining hair in between of the curler. Now start going down. And here it is. This is the curl I got between these two. This is more open. Both looks amazing and the easiest way to curl your hair. Now I have already shown you 2 ways to curl your hair. Let's move on to the third and the last way how to do it. So now what you have to do is take the section, place the machine and pull your hair upwards. Now leave it like that and now rotate and pull it downwards. Do the same now. Pull it upwards, rotate again and downwards. So this will create soft wavy look. If you want that beachy waves, then all you need to do is place the curler up, down, follow the trick. So these are the 3 ways you can curl your hair. If you have any other way, do let me know. And also guys, please help me out with this YouTube issue I am facing. If you have any solution to it, please let me know, because my shorts are working but my long videos aren't working. Please help me out with that and please stay there and show this love to me. I'm very thankful to all of you. Thank you for being a small part of my YouTube channel. I love you all. So that's all guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to like and share. Until next time, bye.